Here's the smoke after the geyser is over. Look at the smoke, it's kind of like swirling around. Now look at the sky. I hope
Nonton nggak?
no thunder.
Kalian muter situ ya?
Look at
Tadi dapatnya castle nggak?
dapat castle nggak coba?
Yang gede kelihatan gunung putih itu. Tapi nggak bisa foto karena kita fokus di sini deh. Oh itu Oldfaithful. Ayo.
Oh, Oldfaithful-nya keluar sekarang. Look at that. After the Beehive geyser, now the Oldfaithful.
This is actually a better picture than. This is a bigger one.
Wow, how lucky we are.
Oh, maksudnya ke sana.
We were really blessed today.
That's a bigger glass.
We are really blessed today. Look. This is look at the thunder lightning. We got a thunder lightning too. The Oldfaithful is still going. Look at that. Whoa, it's roaring too. Thunder lightning. Look at how dark it is. Papa itu masih di sini loh, coming.
Tapi dia ngeliat kan, ngeliat nggak apa-apa. Nggak sadar apa.
Oh, we got Beehive and we got
Pokoknya sarah aku.
This is the Beehive.
Jalan sendiri tadi.
Finished.
Udah saya tahu
And
ya
that's the Oldfaithful. Finish.